So I'm going to show you how you can apply a texture projection on a thicknessed polygon mesh. So here it is the source with a texture I took not today because the weather is rather crappy today. It's a picture I took just in front of the Autodesk office a couple of days ago. And here it is the polymesh who is cloned, and I also copy the texture projection of the source on it, and I applied the same material. So now let's create another ice tree. On this ice tree let's add a thickness compound, and we lost immediately the texture projection because the topology is new. So I'm going to show you how you can get it again. So let's take the source, then what you need is the texture projection of the source. Okay, we don't have a match in the number of points between our thick object and our flat object, so we need to convert the per point data to an array. So there is a new node called build array from set. Now we can get our texture projection. Oops, sorry. Texture projection, rst here, and set the texture projection not with the value, selecting array. So in my source object I'm selecting the matching ID on each polynode. So let's do a get poly node index. So now we've got half of the job done. We copy the top polygon, but the bottom is not textured because we've got twice more vertices in this one. So what you can do is use a modulo and use the number of points on the source as the modulo. Number of points, number of polygon nodes should be the good one. And that's all. You've got your texture projection. You can change your subdivision, and it will match. Of course the sides are not textured correctly because we don't define any projection on the side on this one. So you could add some planar projection manually or using ice after. Ta-da!